Alright, my fridge is all clean and all my groceries are put away. Okay, so 3 things I just wanted to share with you is, first, this is what I use to clean my fridge with. It's the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Citron. I really like how this smells and I really like how it works. It doesn't leave any greasy residue. And I just use a sponge with, like you saw, a warm bucket of water. So that works really well. My other tip is I recently started using these organizers. I got these at TJ Maxx and they were really inexpensive. So I use one for leftovers and I use one for my kids' snacks. So they know that that is their go-to for any snacks that they have in the fridge. That way they're not rummaging around and they can just get them really easily. My other one, it's just a good way to keep your leftovers in one spot. So like here we have leftover pizza. I'm just gonna put that in there, and then when I look in the fridge, one glance tells me what we have in there and kind of helps us not throw out so much food. This one, so this is, and I just clean these when I clean my fridge. So we keep cheese sticks, Go-Gurts, a Danimal yogurt. We have one pudding left. I'll put a couple of fruit cups in here. And there we go. So there's just a couple of snacks and we switch it out so that it stays interesting for them. And then my last, but not least tip is I love my salad spinner. So I have this salad spinner, and not only is it good to wash and keep your produce clean, it's also great to keep your produce in the fridge. So as long as you just make sure it's dry, and that strainer, if you want to call it that, inside will keep your produce out of any water and keep it fresh longer. So those are my 3 tips. There are not many things as satisfying as a clean, stocked fridge. Alright guys, well, I have a clean fridge, all my groceries are put away. Thanks for watching. I know this is not the most exciting of things, but definitely satisfying to have a nice clean fridge. So give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and I will see you in the next one.